Thank you for visiting us. Enjoy watching.
Who's our cute new Indonesian coworker? Grammar. The focus of this lesson is describing people.
Dia terlihat pemalu dan pendiam.
She seems timid and introverted. In this lesson, we will learn adjectives and expressions to describe people. We use this following a pattern to describe people. Subject plus kelahatan plus adjective. For example,
Dia terlihat sombong dan kasar, tetapi setelah mengenalnya dia adalah orang yang ramah.
he seemed arrogant and rude, but after getting to know him, he is a friendly guy.
Anak baru itu terlihat malas, tetapi dia sangat pintar.
The new kid seemed lazy, but he is very clever. Some common negative expressions to describe people. Tidak ramah / galak. Unfriendly / cold.
Sombong congkak.
Arrogant / snobbish.
Pemarah.
Short-tempered / grumpy.
Pemalas.
Lazy. Bodoh / dungu. Stupid / dumb.
Pelit kikir.
Mean / stingy.
Membosankan.
Boring.
Ketat otoriter.
Strict / authoritarian.
Tidak jujur pembohong.
Dishonest / liar. Some positive common expressions to describe people.
Ramah hangat.
Friendly / warm-hearted.
Cantik tampan.
Pretty / handsome. Lucu / jenaka. Funny / witty.
Pekerja keras.
Hardworking.
Cerdas pintar.
Bright / clever. Dermawan / bake. Generous / kind. Jezit. Energetic. Mudah bergaul. Easy going.
Dapat diandalkan.
Reliable.
Adil jujur.
Fair / honest. To make the interrogative form in describing people, we use this formula.
Orang seperti apa?
What is he / she like? To reply to the question, we may use this pattern. Dia orang yang plus adjective. He / she is plus adjective plus person. For example,
Pak Joko, orang seperti apa?
Mr. Joko, what is he like?
Pak Joko adalah pria yang murah hati dan mudah bergaul.
Mr. Joko is a generous and easygoing person.
Indonesia's workforce. Fresh graduate employees play an important role in the world of work. The population of people in Indonesia whose age is 15 years above on February 2013 was 175 million. While the labor force participation rate was 69.21%. Most of the labor force are working in agriculture, forestry, hunting, and fishery with the percentage about 35%, and the second highest participation rate is actually in wholesale trade, retail trade, restaurant, and hotels at 22%. According to the main employment status, the employee in Indonesia is about 36%, while those who are self-employed and self-employed assisted by family members / temporary help would total 34%. Statistics also reveal that those who get diploma degrees got the highest rate to get jobs at a rate of 97%, while the highest percentage of unemployment labor force is only senior high school graduates. Vocabulary.
Perusahaan.
Company.
Baru.
New.
Kenalkan.
To introduce.
Pemalu.
timid.
Sebaliknya,
On the contrary,
menyenangkan.
fun,
Pengalaman,
experience,
menikah.
married.
Contoh kalimat. Hana bekerja di perusahaan perdagangan.
Hannah works at a trading company.
Kemarin Lisa membeli buku baru untuk adiknya.
Yesterday, Lisa bought a new book for her brother.
Manajer itu memperkenalkan sistem baru kepada para pegawai.
The manager is introducing a new system to the employee.
Waktu kecil, dia sangat kurus dan pemalu.
When he was a kid, he was so thin and timid.
Hana mengatakan film itu sangat bagus. Sebaliknya Lisa berpendapat film itu membosankan.
Hannah said the movie was very good. On the contrary, Lisa thought the movie was boring.
Pergi ke dunia fantasi sangat menyenangkan, banyak permainan dan atraksi yang menarik.
Trip to Dunia Fantasi is always fun, a lot of games and interesting attractions.
Dia memiliki banyak pengalaman di bidang pertambangan.
He has a lot of experience in the mining field.
Setelah menikah, dia jarang makan di luar rumah.
After getting married, he rarely goes out to eat. Vocabulary phrase usage.
Sebaliknya. Sebaliknya.
Is an adjective used to deny or to negate one statement that can be translated as contrarily. The pattern to express on the contrary is
Tidak.
sebaliknya, not contrarily. For example,
Dia tidak bodoh, sebaliknya dia sangat pandai.
he is not dumb, contrarily he is very smart.
Menyenangkan. Menyenangkan.
Is the adjective for fun. People use this term to explain something or someone that is exciting.
Hari-hari yang menyenangkan.
Means fun days. Besides menyenangkan, Indonesian uses
Gembira.
glad or senang, meaning delighted.
Senang bertemu denganmu.
Delighted to see you.
Menikah. Menikah.
Is an adjective of which its root word is nika. Nika is an infinitive. If the root word added to the particle purin into
Pernikahan.
the word becomes a noun that can be translated as wedding. An example is
Acara pernikahannya sangat meriah.
the wedding is very festive.
Dia telah menikah sejak 3 tahun yang lalu.
He has been married for 3 years.
Percakapan.
Conversation.
Aku lihat perusahaan merekrut pegawai baru.
I noticed the company recruited new employees.
Ada 3 orang baru di departemen akuntansi, mereka semua baru lulus kuliah.
There are 3 new employees in the accounting department. All are fresh graduates.
Kamu tahu dari mana?
How do you know?
Pak Joko telah memperkenalkan mereka kepada para pegawai minggu lalu saat kamu di luar kota.
Mr. Joko introduced them to our staff last week when you were out of town.
Aku lihat ada gadis manis berambut panjang, dia kelihatan pemalu dan pendiam.
I think one girl with long hair is very cute. She seems timid and introverted.
Malah sebaliknya, dia sangat lucu dan pandai bicara.
On the contrary, she is really fun and talkative.
Oh ya? Apakah dia sudah menikah?
Really? Is she already married?
Iya, dia sudah menikah.
Thank you for watching this video. Please click like and subscribe to watch other videos. Thank you.